What's up, guys? So we're back here at the shop. Finally gonna have an update for the Cobra. So things changed big time, drastically. The whole setup that I told you guys we were doing, we're not doing it no more. We've been really busy. We've been getting some cars ready for we got the F-150 ready for a show coming up this week. So we've been really busy, but dropping off the motor to get machined today, and I got some parts I'm gonna show you guys right now. We're gonna open them up. We're gonna walk over to Paragon Engines to pick up our other boxes. This is the engine builder. It's a full-on badass machine shop. But anyways, we got that one, we got that one, we got those, and we got a bunch of shit. So what we're doing right now is walking my giant pile of shit boxes back to the shop so we could open them. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and open the first box. One. Two. Stupid.
Wow. Like, put it back in the box.
So box one revealed elephant dick and some PRLs. Box two. No, this is probably three or something.
Just bolts.
Bolts? Oh look, they have Doug's mom in here. Oh yeah.
Oh, those are your engine mounts.
Oh shit, we got some motor mounts. Let me see. Oh hell yeah. So these are the plates that we're going to use to drop the motor into the stock Mustang K-Member. So you put those plates on the motor and then you put the stock 4.6 motor mounts on there. So the hardware, that's pretty cool. Alright, and they're made by Doug's mom, the hooker. Alright, so we got more shit right here still, hold on. Alright, so this is box number 6 out of 20. This one's also made by Doug's mom. The hooker, not the black car part. We got an Oscar open him so you can get a workout in. What we got there?
Oh, you got the... Oh, shit. It's nice.
What is it? What is it?
Crossover tube.
Oof. Hey, there's no there's no flex on it? Uh-huh. So that's a crossover tube for, I don't know what it's for. Alright. Alright, so last box. Oh shit, that one looks heavy. Because Oscar works out, and if he's having trouble getting it. Oh, what is this? Gasket. Fuck, they send you everything. So here goes the last and final box.
Oh shit.
So that's one side of the turbo manifold. This is going to go on the driver's side. The crossover tube is going to attach here. And they're made out of cast, so you don't have to worry about them cracking or nothing. And this is the second one. Oh, that one's bad.
That's nice.
Careful with that heat shield. So this is the other side. Oh fuck, it's heavy. And that's it. That's all we got. Oh. I don't know what this is for. Alright, so the first part for the Cobra, the LS Cobra, the transgender Cobra. Oh shit, what happened here? don't know what it is. Looks like a set of high compression pistons. Okay, that was heavy. So we got a turbo. It's a 75 on a T4. It's just like my red car has, but a little cheaper, a little bit more affordable. Alright guys, so you guys saw the bunch of parts that just came in. We got an intake manifold, a Holley high ram with a 102 throttle body right there. 102. It's a big one. Turbo. This is the Holley hooker intake exhaust manifolds with the crossover tube. The turbo mounts up to the front. You make a little adapter with the wastegate. Done. Fuel rails. On this setup, I'm not gonna be running an intercooler. It's gonna go from the turbo straight into the fucking throttle body. I'm gonna run E85. I'm gonna run it a little rich, so the E85 could kind of cool the air charge down a little bit. Something that I'm trying out, so we'll see how it works out. I also got a Holley Terminator X ECU coming in, the standalone one, so they're on back order. So as soon as that comes in, that's gonna be the final piece of the puzzle. So yeah, so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna drop off the motor across the street so they can start putting it back together.